Okay. Got interrupted. It's pretty hot out here, and the heat shut my phone down. But anyway, okay, so spiral notebook. I was saying that keep all the work separate in different spiral back notebooks, and then it makes it easier to keep track within your portfolio. And so you could do your different sections and tabs, and then the proof of their work, the sampling of their work, you could just put that right there in the big binder. So depends on what grade your child is in. You could get the regular, maybe 3-inch binder or whatever. If your child is in middle school or high school, and if you do this method, you could get the huge binders that are like 4 or 5 inches, or you could just keep all the source material separate. It's a little easier if while you're doing your portfolio review, you can just turn the page and flip, versus grabbing here and grabbing there, right? So do it the way you want. But so have the running things at the beginning. Make sure that your child remains organized. They want to see organization. They want to see a schedule. So you will have a schedule. So you'll put a schedule together on this day, the child does these things. On this day, the child does these things. And at this time, you want to have the times. The nice thing about homeschool, your child can work whatever time is conducive for them to work, So if your child is not a morning person, then maybe work can start at 10, And what you're going to notice is when you're homeschooling, the work day, the school day is shorter because you don't have all the interruptions. You're not changing classrooms. You don't have classroom interruptions. You don't have a whole bunch of rigmarole, So the work day is a little shorter. What else? I'm trying to think what else is in that portfolio. I think I've gone over a lot, but just stay organized from day one. With your portfolio review, so that when it's time to have the review, all you got to do is print stuff out and put things in the binder that's already set up for you, and go. Set your appointment and go. I like live portfolio reviews versus online, because with live, they give you pointers. You can answer questions. You can ask questions. They'll tell you what to do better or differently. They'll tell you what you might have missed doing. Like they had told me, like one time I think we had missed field trips, and that was important to them, And then she was like, and they kind of let me slide, I think, because they were like, well, did she go on any trips? Did she do that? I was like, yeah, so that was able to count, right? But if I wasn't at a live review and all I did was online submitting crap, I wouldn't have that conversation, So although I was really nervous before I was nervous before every one of them, but it was definitely a better experience than when I submitted the portfolio online. I didn't like that because I had video, I had pictures and stuff, and it was so challenging to upload everything. And then the communication was disconnected. Me asking questions, them asking questions. It just was disconnected. I did not enjoy the online submission experience at all. I prefer live, engaging, interacting, talk to me, give me some feedback. I like that. You know what I'm saying? This world is going so towards being non-human. It's just ridiculous. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, that's it for portfolio reviews. I'll see you in the next one.